Good morning. Welcome to ABC Winter Through Trader. This is Mike. It is, what's the date today? I don't even know. I've been gone for the weekend. Sometime in October. Sorry about this. It is October 2nd, Monday, 10 in the morning. Let's start taking a look at the ES futures. I'm just waiting until about 10 after 10 here, and at this time mark to see if we break through. I think it's just going to be a runner today. I did a video last night, but I did put it on because I'm getting echo, as you probably can hear today. I'm doing another test. So if this is going to be an echo video, it's going to be an echo video. I can't do anything about it until I soundproof this room. Other than that, let's start looking at all the charts. We're going to go from the daily up. On my video, actually, I posted the market should be going up, but we were actually at a negative marking here. And she did punch this morning. So this is on the daily chart because we're just starting a new phase. We are coming into the election, so I said beware. Be very careful on your trades because I don't know if it's election today or tomorrow. It's wrapping up though. And so it's going to be quite shaky there. See, in the beginning it said don't close it slower. But if I refresh this, I bet you they're going to say slow 300, 400 points higher. So yeah, just be very, very careful on it right now. But if we go into the technicals right now, we are breaking through. This is supposed to be a sell phase, so I'm really watching this right now. That's why I'm waiting for the signal in about 7 minutes, because we have to break these zones here. And if it was a real aggressive push up today, I will be shooting for this target line here at 3462 or to the institution line, which I call it, at 3480, but by the time that time fills in, it'll probably be at this level. Okay, now let's start taking a look at the 10-minute chart. And on our 10-minute chart, sorry, just because I had to reset up this room here, I got to get all my charts lined up here. This is my 10, no, my apologies. Let's go to 10 minutes here. See this one right here. Yeah. So on a 10-minute right now, look at how we're just having support resistance right on a previous market open price. So we'll look at that. We did have a lot of buying pressure, but she's holding right here. So this will be our area of concern and until she breaks. Once she starts breaking this level, I already have a marking here. And it looks like I said, the 3360 level looks like our ultimate goal for today. If we can break that, this is probably where they want to go. Let's add more base to low to see if there's any support resistance, because I only have 15 there. So let's put in 60 for fun and see if there's any other lines. Okay, so that's where she's tapping right now. And let's take a look here. Yeah, so once we break this, our ultimate gap, okay, we'll say about, 40, 50. We'll see this area. As you can see, this is our major support. Look how many lines there are right here, plus this most current one. So that is our major blockage, okay, or our resistance area. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at right now at the 1-minute chart. As you can see, did that sell off right to the line. And the funny thing is, I had this line on. I didn't even have my computer on when I turned on. I said, oh, good, at least I marked it properly. We are at the 10:06 time within a few seconds here. Let's see if there's going to be a major drop down. And once we start breaking this zone, the market open price, we can start discerning to take a trade. We take the trade to the upside if it bounces, or if she's really pushing hard, we'll take it to the start taking it to the sell side and maybe get to a double bottom here. All the energies is pushing up, which I don't like if it's going to be an update. So we need to have that retracement and the continuation. We'll take a look at that. And now, right now at our current scalper chart, here's my scalper chart here, boom. So right now, yeah, there's a lot of buy signals, they're fighting it. We are above the baseline, which I do like. And so let's put our first line in the sand at 3250, right here. And there's our second line. I'll find out why I put that second line up there. Let's scroll back. Okay, 3375. And then Yeah, so then we're hitting that 3460 level right up here where it was that support resistance. Other than that, I'm just going to let the video play for a while, and I'll just, if I get into a trade, you'll see what my trade is for today. Okay, sorry about that. The trade went a lot faster than I expected, but I want to do that one punch. We actually hit that target level of. I'll bring it over here. It's. I was waiting for. Not sure if it was going to be a pullback. This could be a pullback yet, so I'm waiting. So the very first area of concern where I wanted to see if this was going to hit reject. So they did that big punch, as you can see. There was a line in the sand, and if we keep on breaking, we're going to keep on going. We're just breaking the 70% zone. And I saw it ready to break, and as you can see when I put my first order in, it was like, I missed it, so I'll just jump in, because I knew she was going to just do a little surge here. You can just see how all the energies were lining up. And because I'm looking at technically 3 charts here. So the one I was looking at, of course, I'll just move this one to the side, was this one. You got your purple. Second shot, but I'm still expecting pullback. If this thing inverts right here, we know she's going to be selling off, and that's what I'm waiting for. And we hit this area right here. This is a previous market open price. If we keep on breaking that, we'll see if it comes back down here, stops and holds, because now we can get back into the baseline level. But this is what I'm going to be looking for. Rectangle right here. This is a support resistance area. Once you have a whole bunch of ovals sitting there, it was fighting, and 1010 was a sale. A selling opportunity which was starting to fail. And when I'm starting to look at selling opportunities right now, is because we are on the longer term. Let's go back to the original chart. We're on a buy phase on the daily. We're just starting. I'm very cautious. The reason is because we are literally within that election day. So I'm really trying to hone in for trading right now. So the reason why I didn't start my video until later is I went for a walk this morning. I said, you know what, I'm going to stay away from all that noise just in case. And you can see it whipped down nice, whipped up. You could have made some really good points there. We did hit level 1 target already, which is a good thing. And now what I want to see is if this is going to be this inversion at this point in time, is this going to be the run for the day? Because we already at 1.2, which is really good. And I said and look at all these stop outlines. Target 2, target 3, target 4. So target 3 is going to be the big fun one when we're going to hit all those. And we'll see what happens. And we'll go from there. I might cut off this video from now. I'm not sure yet. I'm still got to do some stuff because it's my first day back in Mexico. So. But at least you can start seeing what I'm looking at, and we'll go from there. Oops, I'm going to move my tree chart back here. I'll put my other one on my other screen. I have 3 screens, and the 3 screens is my laptop screen and just 2 monitors. And I just got to adjust it. I should actually have 1 extra screen just for my 10-minute chart, but I will have to go shopping for one. Okay, here's my temperature. Okay, everything's set up now, I think. Put this one back. Perfect. Okay, now I'll put it back on pause for a little while here. If not, I might edit this area out and we'll wrap it up. We'll see what happens here. Alrighty, I'm going to wrap up this video. I'll just speed up that whole section there, and the market might be turning around, but it's just too dead for me today to sit here for another hour to wait for the trade. And I know the market will be moving. I'll just wait until the election and see what happens. Other than that, just make sure you pinpoint your trades, trade safe. If you have any questions, join our Discord, and you guys have a great day.